Hey, Pony. Want doggies again? Let's do doggies again. Pony, what is that? That's your doggies? What? What? What's the point? She's scaring Sissy. First it was the rawhide, now that you're done the rawhide, it's a spider. Come here. Who was that? Come here. Do it again. Do it again. No. Big butt. Do it again. Let's do it again. Pony. Want to do it again? Want to do it again? Pony? Pony! Come on! Where's your doggies? Pony, where's your doggies? Where's your doggies? That's not doggies, that's a spider. Nut, come here. Do it again? Oh, Daddy's calling you. And off he goes.